Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to delete a app. So for example, as you see here, I have two games. One is Mario Kart World that's installed on the Switch 2 itself. And I have a secondary game here, which is in the form of a memory card, or it's stored on the card that's inside of the device up here. All right, so this one doesn't take up space. However, this one is consuming space. All right, so Mario World, let's say pretend that we want to delete Mario World. I'm going to show you how to go about deleting any software that's on your device. So if I install anything at all that's consuming space, I can actually delete it. All right, so if you go to System, you're going to move down and you go to Data Management. You're going to see that I have 210 gigabytes. I do not have a SD card installed. And Manage Software. Here we are in Manage Software. All right, so if you want to manage your software, let's say for example here I can't install anything from the Super Mario Bros. Wonder since it's in a card that's inside of the system. So I could actually, if I wanted to, delete Mario Kart World. All right, so if I wanted to, I could go here, select Mario Kart World, and if I wanted to, I could select delete software, and here it says it will remove the data from the system. Save data for the software will be kept, but you'll need to re-download the software to keep playing it. All right, so I could delete Mario Wonder. I do have it, it's associated with my account, and if I want to, I can delete and reinstall, or I can leave it. So whatever the software is that you want to delete, you can go ahead and select delete software. I'm not going to do that. I'm simply showing you. It shows you what will be freed up and what will be done here. So if I go back, say you had installed something, anything, any software, any game, it will show up here. Simply select and you can delete. All right, so that's how to delete a game or a app that you have downloaded from the Nintendo store, and it's easy. So once you do that, it should be gone from your system. So that's how you go about deleting a software. If you wanted to install new software, you can always go to the Nintendo eShop and download software from there. That includes free and paid apps. All right, so do hope this was useful, and as always guys, see you in the next one. Bye.